Hi guys, I'm back. Before I continue with the next part of my appreciation post, I just want to share this beautiful comment of Miss Angel in the first part. Thank you for the appreciation post. It takes a lot of effort to create a content and get people to notice. Keep going. Your hard work will pay off. Thank you so much, Miss Angel. Your kind words mean a lot to me. I'll keep creating content with love and passion. Now we go to the second part, another message from the comment section, ang tumagos naman sa puso ko. This is from Miss Tim Pilaes of Calapan City, Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. Please allow me to read po. Hi, Madam. Bakit nagsisimula pa lang po kayo magsalita? Naiiyak na ako. Di ko pa natatapos ang video, iyak na eh. Nalungkot ako pero unti-unting napapangiti dahil ramdam ko na nagkaroon ng impact sa ating lahat ang hindi ka nag-iisa ng Jet Vlog Diaries. Connection really matters dahil ito ang nagbibigay ng pakiramdam na kasama ka. May nakakakita at nakikinig sa'yo na ikaw ay mahalaga. And this is how I show I care about you guys. I want to inspire and motivate you all in my own little way. Thanks to everyone who liked, reacted with love and hearts, and also to those who contributed to the discussion. Love the engagement from Tia Susan Custodio, Ate Vamila Biliran, Ate Zeni Tan, Ate Marilyn Banawa, Ate Victoria Mira, Ate Melva Atienza, Jennifer Castillo, Jennifer Johnson Tan, Edrelina Muco, Rica Pasahol, Rochelle Reyes, Madel, Franz Noah, Chester, Jetman Mendoza, Victoria Rader, Madam Annalyn Mangurali, Madam Lilibet Jimenez, Madam Mase Maranan, and to my classmates Star Alcoba, Rosie Ortiz, and Mirna. A million thanks sa mga nag-share na sina Loida Rayos, Wayne Makilan, Marisol Manansong, at May Flores. And super grateful for your tips and advice, Salvador de la Cruz Jr., Judy Galit, Star Alcoba, at sa fashionista na Kalapan, Jopay Adriatico. Thanks again. Until part 3, stay blessed and remember to always appreciate little things in life. Love God, love each other, and spread kindness wherever we go. I love you all. Bye.